we can utilize the object class through inheritance. So remember we had our shape superclass, which is a superclass of the rectangle subclass because it extends the shape class. And we had the triangle class also being a subclass of shape. So because we haven't specified an extends keyword here, then this shape class automatically inherits the object class, which is at the root of the class hierarchy. So effectively every class has the object as a superclass. So rectangle inherits shape and shape inherits object. So recall our array list of shapes here. So this is an example of polymorphism where a shape has different forms. So a triangle is a shape and a rectangle is a shape. And therefore we can add these objects to the array list with the same type. Now the object class has an equals method to compare two objects. So if we say if the shape at index 0 in this array list, which is a triangle here, dot equals the shape at index 1, then we'll print the objects are equal. So as we can see, these two objects are not equal. And if we compare the rectangle at index 1 with the rectangle object at index 2, they're also not equal. So comparing the object with itself returns true. So this equals method is implemented in the object base class, and we utilize it here through inheritance. And we can override this method, which we'll look at later on, because maybe we want to say that these two rectangles are equal because they have the same length and the same height. Now at compile time, methods in are inherited by the declared type. So for example, our declared type is shape here, and the methods inside the shape class, or inherited by the shape class, determine if a non-static method call is correct. So therefore I can call the equals method because it's inherited from the object superclass by the shape class. And it's a similar case for the toString method also. And we'll look at overriding these methods later on to suit our implementation. And at runtime, the method in the actual object type is executed for a non-static method call. So effectively, if I call shapes at index 0 .calc area, then this method in the actual object type, being the triangle, will get executed. So if we print this out, we get the area of our triangle, which is 1/2 by 10, which is 5, by 5 gives 25. So this method here, in the actual object type, being triangle, was called.